active by the tents west of the tarmac beneath Hangar 1. Threats outside the hangar.
Enemy tanks directly to our north.
Shadow, don't let that tank hit the chemicals! Take it out!
You know what to do, Gunner. Hit him with a missile. Lobby's a quick trigger.
Graves, enemy vehicles incoming!
They're pushing in through the fuel depot to our north. Shadow 1, be advised. Doors opening on a building to the west end of the runway, near the boneyard. All stations, Tony's mounting up to re-attack. Let's bury him.
Enemy jet coming from the west end of the runway.
This is Coney's foothold in Urzikstan. Wipe it off the map.
Crew, let's get on it. He gets airborne, we got big problems.
Jet taking off.
That's right, motherfuckers.
Jet number 2 is down.
Keep him out of the hangar.
Missile incoming.
Graves, enemy signals in the boneyard!
Gunner, get on it. They thought they were taking cover.
Incoming missile.
Good hit. Stay her down. Good hit. Stay her down. Good impact. Good impact.
All stations, this is actual. SIGINT confirms Makarov is on the base. He's gonna make a play for the chemicals. Ground team, are you ready to exfil?
Negative. Chemicals are still active. We need more time.
Copy that. Keep them secure. Graves, maintain overwatch. You see Makarov, you put him down.
Check Gold Eagle. Shadow 1's ready and waiting.
Enemy helo incoming from the northeast.
That's Makarov. Shadow, gun that son of a bitch down.
Copy that. He's not going anywhere. Time to finish this, Shadows.
Copy that. Guns ready.
Helo's gonna take out the hangar. We need close there.
Graves, pull this out! Don't let it hit the chemicals!
Enemy helo is coming down.
We got your ass, McLean and fucking Sinker. All stations, enemy bird is down. Vladimir Makarov is EKIA.
Copy that. Chemicals rendered safe. Pushing out of the hangar now.
Graves, once ground is clear, have your man drop a missile on that hangar. Bury Makarov and his fucking chemicals.
Copy that.
Shadow 1, ground team is clear. Level the hangar.
Gunner, send it.
Good effect. Hangar's down.
That's how we get her done, Shadows. So it's been done, you Vladimir.
3 things you cannot outrun in this world, folks. Death, taxes, and me. Pleasure doing business with you boys and girls. Actual, I'm RTB. Out here.